So Samsung gave an update to the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4. It was the May update, and this is kind of what we expect every month. You know, Samsung has been very vocal. They're going to give us 4 years of updates to every Samsung device, 4 years of updates to every Google device, 4 years of updates to every Oppo device. It's pretty much at this point just standard. Nothing really crazy. If you buy a foldable cell phone from any company but Microsoft, you're going to get 4 years of updates. You buy from Microsoft, you're not going to get crap. I say that because we did not get the April update from the for the Surface Duo 1 or 2. And also, the whole binge they were updating for the Surface Duo 1 and 2, yeah, they never brought that to the Surface Duo 1 and 2. And Microsoft, when asked about Android 13, said they'd rather not comment. Oh, Microsoft, you're doing great. But here's the kicker, because this brand new update to the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 was not an update that had features. And this is a huge thing, and kind of going back to our Surface Duo 1 and 2 comments there, this is why there's still people who say, well, why do you care if the Microsoft gives security updates to the Surface Duo 1 and 2? Why is it a big deal? It's not like it's, a feature update. It's just security updates. Security updates are more important, in all honesty, to the legacy of the device and the protection of your information than any feature update out there. Period. Because security updates stop your device from getting hacked, what's called malware put on your device, a million other things. It is a very, very important thing for every phone company, whether you're Apple, Samsung, Google, Oppo, Vivo, you name it. It's very important to keep your devices updated with the most recent Android security bulletin. With this update to the Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4, there were 70 flaws updated and fixed. This is why, again, like I said, and I'll say it again, it's no joke when you get these updates. I know a lot of times we kind of make jokes on this channel when we're like, oh yeah, the brand new, whatever, the new monthly update, all it is a security update, nothing else. It's nothing special. Because at the end of the day, yes, as a user of your phone, you want to see updates, right? You do. You want to see new things added to your phone and new things you can play with. But, again, like I said before, at the end of the day, the most important updates are the security updates. And, again, we're going to see 4 more years of updates to the Z Flip 4 and Fold 4. We're going to see 4 more years of all these companies. So, this is why I've said it a million times. I'll say it again, this is why I'm so, crazy. Not crazy, but it's why I care so much when I don't see an update by Microsoft for the Surface Duo 1 and 2. Because it's a huge problem. That's a huge red flag that they just stop caring about their devices. And I get it. You can stop caring and say, oh, it doesn't even matter anymore. But at the end of the day, millions of people went out there and bought your Surface Duo 2 that was $1,500. $1,500. And that's not even 2 years old at this point. Millions of people bought that phone. Millions of people bought your Surface Duo 1 that was $1,300. It's, like I said, at the end of the day, it's whatever. We moved on. We don't care. But it's just a bad taste. So that's the only reason why I complain about it. Because it's just like especially if they're thinking about releasing a Surface Duo 3 this year, kiss that goodbye if this is how they're going to act toward consumers before the Surface Duo 3 comes out. But for Samsung, this is another W on Samsung's part for, again, like I said, not really an feature update, but a good update that gets a lot of security bulletins fixed, which is actually a big W overall for Samsung. But tell me down below, guys, which phone are you currently rocking foldable phone-wise? Because I do have a candy bar cell phone, iPhone 14 Pro Max I'm rocking right now. Not as my daily driver, but as my secondary device. My main go-to phone right now is the Z Fold 4, but I'm really, I don't think I'm going to be able to hold on to it as daily driver once this Google Pixel comes out. We got 2 days before it's unleashed, and then obviously pre-orders start, and I don't think I'm going to be able to hold back from buying a Pixel Fold and making that my daily driver. I mean, it's literally like everything we wanted out of the Surface Duo 1 and 2, that's what the Pixel Fold is. And it's, I mean, literally to extreme amounts. Now, the only thing that isn't is obviously it's no 360-degree hinge, but the back of the phone doesn't have a huge, gigantic camera bump. The back of the phone is flush, and the cameras actually make sense on the back of the phone. So I can't wait to get it on this channel, unbox it, you make it my daily driver, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to get another foldable phone after it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to move on from that. But maybe if Pixel Fold 2 comes out, maybe I'll move on to Pixel Fold 2. But for the Pixel Fold 1, I'm going to tell you right now, based on what I've seen, everything I've seen, it is going to be an amazing device, and I can't wait to test it daily. I'll see you guys in the next one.